Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and today I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what's coming up. Now, especially if you're a beginner, you're probably going, well, I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to shade. Well, I'm going to be doing several videos where I'm going to take you through step by step on how to be able to draw and how to also end up putting it into colour. So in this example, I've printed one out in black and white and one in colour. Now, the reason you would want to print it out in black and white is because the first thing that we would want to do is concentrate on drawing our image, and we're going to start with basic image, like this one's a tomato, okay, and we're going to take it through stages. So here I've got one of my sketches that I've already done, and that's just with a lead pencil, okay. So I've drawn the image and I've put the shading into it, because when you look at paintings, it's not so much the colours that you use, it's the shading, okay? Yes, colour is important too, however, the shading is even more important. So, in my next video, we're going to do several different images. We're going to start off with the basic, and then we'll sort of start working towards more advanced, and the first video will be just drawing it. From drawing, we're going to go into another video where we're going to do shading, okay? From there, we're going to go into using colour pencils, okay? From there, we're going to go into using watercolours. Now, as you can see, my shapes, hang on, I'll see if I can get both of them in. My shapes are always different. And the one thing you got to remember is there's not one tomato that is identical to the other. They're always different shapes. So the shape of them is not as important because they all grow differently. And you can see here as well, again, it's completely slightly different, and it's slightly different to the actual picture, okay? So I just thought I'll do this quick introductory into what's going to be coming up, and I'll probably end up doing this as a second video every week. I'm not 100% sure yet. It all depends on the time available for myself, because I do have a very busy life, unfortunately, being a full-time carer for my mother-in-law with my husband, and it unfortunately takes both of us to take care of her. So I do this in my spare time whenever I've got time available. If you're new to my channel and you're a beginner at this, or you know, you've already started getting into it, but you're still not 100% sure, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get notified for the videos that'll be coming up. And also be sure to give us a thumbs up. So I will catch you guys next week with a very first tutorial on how to draw. And as I say, I will pick out probably 3 different pictures, which are going to be your basic, your medium, and then your more advanced, okay? So I hope to see you guys in the next video, and if you've got any questions or any suggestions, make sure you leave a comment down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.